Hi everyone, Gagajoy's cooking, and I'm so glad you stopped in today. We're going to do something really cute today. It's a dessert that I made. It's sort of an encore. I made it a couple weeks ago and everybody said, oh, make it again, please make it again. So that's what I'm going to do, and I thought I'd put it on video so you could see it too. And it's very easy. My second name is easy, but you make it with Dream Whip. Remember, it's been several years since I used this until last week or 2 weeks ago. Anyway, it's Dream Whip. It has 2 packages in it. And to that you add 1.5 cups of milk. I've used a 2% milk because that's normally, and that's fine with the directions. So anyway, it's 1.5 cups of milk and the 2 packages of the Dream Whip. And of course, Dream Whip has to be mixed. It's getting fluffy. Okay, now to this I'm going to add just a little bit of vanilla. I put a cupful in it like this. That's plenty. Now to this you're going to add your strawberries, about 2 cups. I used 3 bananas, and this, it calls for wafers, chocolate wafers, and I really could not find chocolate. I found the vanilla wafers, but I did not want vanilla wafers, so I just went ahead and got Oreos. And you just break them up. You don't really crush them. You just sort of break them up in this. Now, if you can find the wafers, they would work good. But things like graham crackers, chocolate, well, there's several that's just not a good. In other words, if it would melt in a liquid, I wouldn't get it. And that you could use, I use chocolate, and so everybody seemed to love the chocolate. I guess the chocolate and the strawberries are a good mix. Now, guess what we do next? I took saran wrap. This is actually press and seal, and put it in this bowl. You can use saran wrap. I didn't have any today. So we put our mixture in here, like this. I'm going to let it sit up for a while. Okay, now I put my original mixture in the refrigerator to set up a little bit. And I'm taking Kiwi and putting it in this bowl that I've lined with the parchment, not parchment paper, but seal and press and seal, or you can use saran wrap, either one. And actually, you're supposed to put strawberries on the outside of this, but I'll tell you, my last strawberries didn't look very good after they sit for a while, so I'm going to try the blueberries. Why not? They're pretty too. So, in other words, this is a fruit dessert with so many blueberries, strawberries, bananas, kiwi. And you probably, if you're going to make this dessert, you probably should go ahead and make it, because kiwi, and I did not know this, goes out of season pretty soon. I love kiwi. And you know what? Anytime you make a salad, if you put kiwi in it, it just stays beautiful. I guess it's just the novelty of Kiwi. Bring it on up. Do you see what I'm doing? I'm just bringing them up the sides. Yeah, when I put strawberries on it last time, and I put it in the refrigerator, it seemed like when I got it out, the strawberries looked, I don't know, like they were on the blink of leaving or something. I thought, well, I don't know. I've had a hard time with strawberries this year. If I buy them one day, they're rotted before the next day. So I almost think that's what those were going through. But I think these blueberries are going to be just beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to put my mixture in here. I had 2 bowls with saran wrap in it, and I was trying to see which one was going to be. I had them both lined so that I could pick the one that looked like it was the right size. So I guess it was just double trouble. I'm going to put a few more blueberries in it. Well, I will have to say that the strawberries did stick to the sides better than the blueberries, but I still think the next time I make one, I'll use the strawberries, but today I wasn't in the mood to go with strawberries. But you see how beautiful it's getting. Okay, we're good. Now I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. It has to sit up for about 2 hours. And then when I come back, we'll check it and see how pretty it is. Because even the leftovers are good. I just turned my fruit dessert over. Turn the page. I'm going to get the paper off of it. I'm going to tell you, I made a mistake. Now this, it's going to turn out fine because it's already set up. But if I had to beat the batter longer, it would have set up quicker. And as you see, it's beautiful. Anybody that tastes it's going to think it's wonderful. You're going to be pleased. And it's actually not a very expensive dish, just the fruit. I'm going to take a bite down here. It is just out of this world. I can tell you that with no hesitation. It is out of this world. And it looked, now see, I think the blueberries look pretty on it, but the strawberries did look pretty. I'll give it that one. Anyway, it's good regardless of what you do. And those, don't those look pretty? Or kiwi looks beautiful. Well, we've had a good day, and I've enjoyed doing this again. My kids will love it. So will I. Just remember to beat your batter 8 minutes instead. I think I did mine 5, and it will set up quicker. Unfortunately, I didn't. But it just took 3 hours or so. But have a good day. Remember the joy. Remember the other people this week. Subscribe, ring that bell. We'll see you soon.